Hello students, my name Shilpi Sharma, your SST teacher. You already know that we have completed our first chapter from geography side. Now it's turn to start the second chapter. Yes, chapter second, inside our earth. We lived on our earth. Our homeland is a dynamic planet. It is constantly undergoing changes inside or outside. Do you know that what lies inside the earth? This chapter answers all these questions. Now let's start the chapter. We discuss in this chapter about crust, mantle, core, rocks and minerals and rock cycle. The earth made up of different layers like an onion. The first layer is crust. Now discuss about crust. Yes, you see in this picture crust. Crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Crust is the outermost layer of the earth. This is the thinnest of all the layers. It is about 35 kilometers thick. Now the crust divided into two parts. The crust divided into two parts, the continental crust and the oceanic crust. The continental crust consists of silica and aluminium. The continental crust made up of silica and aluminium. Thus, it is also called Cl. Si denotes to silica and Al denotes to aluminium. Oceanic crust. Oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is also called Sima. Si denotes to silica and Ma denotes to magnesium. Now the second layer is mantle. You can see in this picture, mantle is the second layer of the earth. The middle layer of the earth is called mantle. So mantle is the second layer of the earth. Next layer of core. The innermost part of the earth is called core. Core is the innermost part of the earth. It can be divided into two parts, outer core and the inner core. There are two parts of the core, outer core and the inner core. Let's revise again. Outermost layer of the earth is crust. The middle layer of the earth is mantle and the innermost layer of the earth is core. It is divided into two parts, outer core and the inner core. Now next topic is rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals made up our crust. जो rocks and minerals है वो हमारी crust को बनाते हैं. Rocks are formed when mineral particles collect together in a solid form. रॉक्स कब बनते हैं? जब हमारे मिनरल्स हैं वो सॉलिड फॉर्म में कलेक्ट होते हैं, तब हमारे रॉक्स बनते हैं. मिनरल्स आर नेचुरली अकरिंग इनऑर्गेनिक. व्हाट इज द इनऑर्गेनिक? दोज थिंग्स विच आर नॉट मेड अप ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स, जो जानवरों वगैरह से ना बने हों. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substance with the definite chemical composition. मिनरल क्या है? जो एक डेफिनेट केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन से बने हों. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ द रॉक्स. देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ द रॉक्स. फर्स्ट इज igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rocks. Let's discuss about them. Igneous rocks. When the hot magma cools down and formed in a solid form, it is called the igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are also two types, intrusive igneous rocks and the extrusive igneous rocks. When the hot magma comes on the earth's surface and forms in a solid, that calls the extrusive igneous rocks. When the hot magma not come on the earth's surface, it cools down inside the earth, it is called the intrusive igneous rocks. I hope you understand about the igneous rocks. Now the next rock is sedimentary rock. Next rock is sedimentary rock. What are the sedimentary rocks? Rocks when cut each other and broke down into small particles. These small particles are called sediments. These small pieces are called sediments. These sediments made the sedimentary rocks. जब rocks छोटे छोटे parts में कट हो जाते हैं, उनको छोटे छोटे पीसेस को हम sediments कहते हैं. ये sediments को हवा और पानी कलेक्ट करते हैं और उनसे जो रॉक बनता है उसे हम कहते हैं सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. नेक्स्ट, द मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. बाय द हीट एंड प्रेशर द इग्नियस रॉक्स एंड द सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स कैन बी चेंज्ड इनटू द मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. ज़्यादा गर्मी, हीट के कारण, प्रेशर के कारण जो इग्नियस रॉक्स हैं और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स हैं वो मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स है वो इग्नियस रॉक्स और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स से बनते हैं. नाउ रॉक साइकिल. यू हैव सरप्राइज्ड टू नो दैट one rock can be changed into the another rock. Yes, it's possible. The formation of rocks from one form to another in a cycle manner is called the rock cycle. जब एक रॉक दूसरी रॉक में कन्वर्ट होती है तो उसे हम कहते हैं रॉक साइकिल. You can see in this picture, first magma is converted into igneous rocks, then igneous rocks can be broken into several parts. These several parts are called the sediments. Then sediments converted into sedimentary rock. Then sedimentary rock changed into the metamorphic rocks. Then metamorphic rock again converted into magma. These all things are called the rock cycle. I hope you understand this chapter. You will try to answer the book exercise and after that I will send you the question answers of this chapter. You will write these questions neatly on your notebooks. Thank you very much.